What's up, guys? This is Michael here with WorkForAvocados, and today we are going foil boarding for the first time. I'm super excited. My friend Joey's taking me out. I can't help it, man. It just looks so much fun. I gotta try it at least once. First of all, we're gonna walk a little shoe here. Get her a little exercise in.
Cashew, say hi. Go get it. Go get it. I want you to go get it. Good girl. Good girl.
So stoked for this. Thanks for the invite, dude.
Yeah.
How's everything?
Good, man.
Yeah. We're going
aboard. So the only real advice that's like for your safety when you fall, and if like you don't want to hit that.
Yeah,
It'll hurt.
it doesn't look like a good time.
So like if you're on it and you fall, you kick the board out, the board's gonna go that way, and then